That wiring, that's
all right. That's good.
Now it's better, yes.
No more problems. So now it's waiting for the emitter to cool off. It's going to take a reading.
Back to the... Careful where you use steps.
Prepare the torch.
Okay, we're liking that, right?
Yeah.
You see the sensor rotating around and taking how many readings?
It should be taken
Every 90 degrees?
every 9 minutes, yeah.
Excellent. So they should be able to tell the cardinal point, and they should be able to tell from their data if it's sunrise or if it's sunset. Okay, and that would be the most reliable reading. And now that they rove, ostensibly they know where the rover is. They could still get an answer, right? So very good. Are you also collecting temperature at this time?
Yes.
Very good. And is it glitching or is it doing right?
I think so. It should be going forward.
Yeah. Go. It's taking data now. Light first. And then it does the bloop thing with the temperature sensor. And it should go back up momentarily.
After 7 seconds.
Oh, there
We like that.
I'll check
And
it.
that light, that sound means it's requesting an earthquake shake.
Erupting. Perfect.
The arm should have lowered there.
Yeah.
It's taking data right now.
Okay, you see the photocell moving, and they should actually be able to keep track of that. That's worth a round of applause. Okay, I like the 360. Trouble?
Yes. Okay. I'm just checking the wires.
Okay, yeah, check the wires, etc.
Make sure these two show the wires. Yeah, these two are going to be I think they're good.
All right. So we've had 3 groups that have attempted this straight line path, decided to climb instead of turn, but it's not the easiest trick in the world to climb well. So we'll see how they do. Let's go.
Go decaf.
You ready?
Yeah.
So the photocell starts by rotating to the potentiometer's minimum value, and then it rotates to the maximum recording sun data. We do this because we don't actually know where it's going to start the first time we turn the rover on.
Oh, so
that came loose.
All right, and what's that sensor doing?
Values, because it takes a while to change temperatures.
Right,
So-
and now it should be moving, right?
Yep.
There you go.
Now it's doing like another cycle of like the solar.
Yeah, just all the measurements again.
Yeah.
Right.
It backs up far enough that the
Now,
registers-
do me a favor and explain to the visitors the solar collector moving around. By the way, some of the groups in other classes didn't have that, so I like.
yeah.
Okay, let's not shake it right now.
It stays here for a long time so that it can do its sensor readings.
Okay, so you're within 2 inches of the glacier.
Yeah.
I think that's excellent.
All right. So here's where it usually has problems because.
All right,
it's,
James.
Oh, okay.
So they go.
Not perfect. All right. So it's checking for earthquakes right now. That's what.
That's okay. No earthquake now.
So it didn't go quite far enough.
Oh my goodness.
All right. Let's.
Okay, we like that. Let's get an earthquake here.
Okay.
And is it?
Okay, so right now it's measuring temperature.
And it's windy on Terra Blair.
And here's temperature reading about 23 degrees Celsius, which is pretty close.
Converts on the board.
Yeah, it puts it on.
Temperature conversion on the board.
Right now it's measuring wind speed. Right now the photocell is turning and it's taking light measurements.
Photocell on the top, rotating around, should get its brightest measurement right there, right? And when's it going to actually move?
After it finishes turning. Can we turn off the fan now?
Not yet. Okay, the weather report for Terra Blair indicates that the wind will be dying down. Oh, and that's the photocell?
Yeah. The wire came off a little bit and I showed it to them. It's supposed to go all the way.
Okay, does everybody realize why it has to go back? Yes, there was one group that figured out a way to do it while still spinning the same direction. I thought that was very clever. And now it's doing what?
When it beeps, it's taking data.
Okay. I heard it beep. I believe someone suggested you make it beep as it collects data. Who was that?
I did. I see where this is going. And at the end it beeps twice to tell you
Yes,
the stuff.
Mr. Clue.
Yeah.
Could you lift
I like.
It's taking the lightning.
And it looks like it's held its alignment pretty well, because that's usually a problem. You have a switch accounting for which way it's going? That's a good thing. Okay, this is the third stop?
Yes.
Very good. Yeah, I think a couple of your colleagues would be wishing they had had a switch, because I saw a couple that lost their alignment, and so their data is collected, but it'd be hard to make sense out of it. So far so good. Go ahead and turn on the volcano. Thanks, Marley. And that's okay. Don't touch it. It's collecting solar data.
Yep. The wires came out on the back. It was threatening to earlier. It never happened before.
All right, Marty, go ahead and heat up the thermostat. There it goes.
Yay!
You're aware that that's north,
Yes, I am.
and that's
East,
east.
and then south, and
Okay.
then it'll take west.
I hate the wiring this year, because it looks like it's going to pull it out. As long as they're storing in their arrays, they're in good shape. I like that it pauses while it collects data. I think that's probably a good thing. Okay, now
Okay, so now it's collecting my data.
that's fine. That's allowed.
Oh, we should have done that. I told you to.
Oh, it's not turning.